question of the day, our motto determine x. So how can we determine? If you see very carefully, that one, this is root x, that is root x, and that one is root 3, and that one 27 is also written as 9 into 3, and 9 means 3 root 3. So basically this one is 3 root 3, and root x, this will equal to 3 root 3, and that is root 3. So that one is root 2 root 3. So if you come squaring both sides, okay, here and here, then we got x is equal to 4 into 3, so that is 12. If any doubt, then put here x is equal to 12, then we got 12 means 4 into 3 and root 3. Okay, so 4 root 3 means that is 2 root 3 plus root 3, then we got 3 root 3, that is same as, okay, it means x is equal to 12 is the right answer.